All right, we have one last thing that we are going to do. And so we're going to open up our Google Doc and we are going to link the green spreadsheet to the Google Doc. So we are going to go ahead and open up that awesome Google Doc we made. So we just have it open. We're going to scroll down to the bottom underneath this color code here. We're just going to press enter to give us a space. I'm going to go back to my Google Drive and I'm going to open up my spreadsheets. And it's working, it's thinking. So what we're going to do is we're just going to grab the URL across the top. We're going to press Control C to copy that. We're going to go back over to my Google Doc. And we're just going to type in click here for, and then we're going to press Control V to paste it. And when I press space, it creates that little hyperlink. But if I go and click on it, what we can do is we can actually replace the URL with the title, which I always like to do. It looks a lot better. So so all I did was I just clicked once in it to get this box to pop up, and then I hit yes. And what's nice about it is it now says click here for the last name goal tracking data. And what's going to be really good now is that this Google Doc is going to be the landing page for this student for the entire IT team. So the math teacher can go in and just click on the math goal and submit it. Anybody can click on the skills or learning lab. And what's really great is during IT conversations, during IEP meetings, or just as a case manager, you can go ahead and click on that goal tracking data and open up that spreadsheet anytime to see progress being made on the different IEP goals. And so that is it for setting up the system for collecting IEP data. So really the goals were to make this an efficient process for the general education teacher to submit the data, because all they do now is just have to find the goal and click it and just fill out just a couple things to get you that data. Hopefully this is going to make your life easier in doing things. If you have amendment meetings that are coming up, or you have to do any kind of interim reports or the end of quarter reports that you do, you now have that Google Sheet available where you can just grab the data that you need and for that for those progress reports. And also at the end during IEP meetings now, better decisions can be made because you have data, you can see the data. So the next series, so this is the data collection series, the next series of videos, what we'll do in the future is talk about how we can make that data visual. So we'll talk about how to make appropriate graphs with the data that can be shared easily into either a Google Doc or be shared in whatever platform that you need. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or need help or anything like that, please feel free to reach out, william.peterson@lcps.org, because we are here for you. Thanks so much for watching.